Python has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. Some of them are included in the Python collections module. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type from the collections module called OrderedDict. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a data structure from Python's collections module that was once essential and still useful in certain cases, the OrderedDict data structure. If you've ever needed to keep the order of dictionary items just right, this is the tool for you. Let's get started. OrderedDict is a specialized dictionary from Python's collections module that remembers the order in which items were inserted. Just like a regular dictionary, it stores key-value pairs, but with predictable iteration order. It looks like a regular dictionary, but with guaranteed order, especially useful in older versions of Python. Before Python 3.7, regular dictionaries did not guarantee insertion order. So if order mattered in your data, OrderedDict was your best option. Starting with Python 3.7, the built-in dict does maintain insertion order by default, but OrderedDict still has extra features like the ability to reorder items or move keys to the beginning or end with move to end method. You should use the OrderedDict data type when you need explicit control over key order, when you want to rearrange items, move to front or to the end, when you're working with older versions of Python for compatibility, when you're using APIs or systems where order is critical, like serializing to JSON, writing config files, or tracking history. Even though the regular dict prefers order now, OrderedDict gives you more tools to work with that order. Here are some useful things to know. OrderedDict maintains insertion order, just like the modern dict data type. It supports all regular dictionary methods, but it adds methods like move to end and pop item, with argument last being either true or false, for custom ordering. Comparing an OrderedDict to a regular dict data type also checks order. The OrderedDict data type is still useful in backward compatible code bases or order-sensitive applications. Let's walk through a few examples to see how the OrderedDict data type works in practice. We can add keys and values to an OrderedDict object just like we can to a dict. Here we create the OrderedDict called menu. Then we add several keys and values. Note when printed that they are in the same order as they were added. OrderedDict comes with methods that help us to manipulate its entries. In these examples, we move an item to the end of the dictionary order. Then we move a different key-value pair to the beginning of the dictionary. Notice that we use the same method but use the last equals false argument to specify the front of the dictionary. We can use pop methods to remove items from an OrderedDict data type. Here we see how to remove an item from both the end and from the beginning of the list. You can compare dict instances with OrderedDict instances. In this case, even though both contain the same key-value pairs, the result is false because they are in different order. As you can see, OrderedDict gives you some fine-grained control that goes beyond a standard dictionary. So that's a quick tour of collections OrderedDict. While modern dictionaries already preserve order, OrderedDict still shines when you need to rearrange keys, compare order, or build something with strict ordering rules. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Python tips, and let us know in the comments if you still use OrderedDict in your projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.